Hello MPPNs, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay. What are you doing these days? You are studying? Okay, very good. Keep on studying daily. Okay. So today we will learn maths. What to learn in maths? What is the topic today? Look here. Read it. What is the topic? The topic is days of the week. Tell me, how many days are there in a week? Wow, very good. 7 days are there in a week. There are 7 days in a week. So we will learn the days. We will learn the days of the week. Ready? Okay, we are moving. Now tell me, what is the first day of the week? What is the first day? Very good. Sunday. So spelling. Learn the spelling. What is the spelling here? S. S. U. N. D. A. Y. Sunday. Repeat the spelling. S. U. N. D. A. Y. Sunday. Repeat. S. U. N. D. A. Y. Sunday. Ready? Okay, now tell me what comes after Sunday? What's the next day? Second day of the week. Which comes after Sunday? We will learn the second day of the week. What is that? Monday. So it's spelling. What is the spelling of Monday? Have a look. M O N D A Y. Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday. Now say along with me. M O N D A Y. Monday. Learned it now? Monday comes after which day? Yes, Sunday. Monday comes after Sunday. Now tell me, what comes after Monday? Which is the day after Monday? That is the third day of the week. Which is that? That is Tuesday. Spelling is here. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Day is common in all the days. So learn day first, then learn the remaining spellings. What is the spelling you have to learn? T U E S. Okay? T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week, and Tuesday comes after Monday, right? So tell me, what comes before Tuesday? Name the day before Tuesday. Yes, Monday. Monday is before Tuesday, right? Okay, now the fourth day. What is the fourth day of the week? You know it. Well done. It is Wednesday. So the spelling is here. Learn the spelling. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. D A Y. You learned it already. Now you have to learn Venice. What is the spelling of Venice? W E D N E S. Then D A Y. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Now you have to speak along with me. Speak. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Got it now? Okay. So which is the day? Wednesday. What is its number? Fourth number. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. And which day comes before Wednesday? Yes, it is Tuesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Right? Good. And what comes after Tuesday? What comes after Tuesday? Wow. Wednesday is the answer. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Right? So we are moving to the next one. What is the number? Yes, 5 means fifth day of the week. What is the fifth day of the week? I think you forgot it. Okay, tell me what comes after Wednesday? Wow. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. So let us learn the spelling of Thursday. What is the spelling? What is the first spelling of Thursday? T. Then H. Then U. Next one? R. So the next spelling? S. Now what to write? D-A-Y. Day. Spell the word Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Repeat. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Got it now? Okay, tell me once more. What is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. So tell me what comes before Thursday? Yes, Wednesday. Wednesday comes before Thursday. And what comes after Wednesday? What comes after Wednesday? Thursday comes after Wednesday. Thursday comes after Wednesday, right? So next one. What is the next one? What is the number? 6. This is the sixth day of the week. Okay. The sixth day of the week. Which is that? Now we learned Thursday. So what comes after Thursday? Wow, fantastic answer. Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? Starting with which letter? F. Then R, I, D, A, Y. Friday. Very simple, no? You have to learn only 3 letters. Which are they? F, R, I. You have learned the day. So the spelling of Friday is F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Learned it? Okay, tell me once. What is the spelling of Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Can you tell me which day comes before Friday? Before Friday. Which one? Yes, Thursday. Thursday comes before Friday. Friday comes after Thursday, right? Friday comes after Thursday and Thursday comes before Friday. No doubt? Okay. Now tell me what comes after Friday. That is the 7th day of the week. The 7th day of the week that comes after Friday. What is that? Saturday. Everybody knows it. Well done. Saturday. So the spelling starts with which letter? Yes. S A T U R D A Y. Day. Saturday. What is the spelling? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Repeat the spelling. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Pronounce it. Yes, Saturday. Okay, got it now. Tell me what comes before Saturday. Friday, very good. Friday comes before Saturday. And what comes after Friday? Saturday comes after Friday. So can you tell me what comes after Saturday? What's the next day? Is it the eighth day? No, there are only 7 days in a week. So what comes after Saturday? Wow, well done. It is Sunday. Sunday comes after Saturday. So you got it. There are 7 days in a week. We have learned all the spellings. You have learned it? Wow, good. So let us revise what we have learned. What we learned today? We learned days in a week. We learned days in a week. How many days are there in the week? 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Now we will name them. What are they? Sunday. 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 Then Monday. What is the spelling? Monday. Monday. Next one. Tuesday. Spell it. Tuesday. Tuesday. Next one. Wednesday. Spelling. Wednesday. 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 Next one. Thursday. 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 What is it? Thursday. Next one. Friday. 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 What is it? Friday. And the last one is Saturday. Spelling Saturday. Repeat. Saturday. Got it now? There are 7 days in a week. Now can you tell me what is the day comes after Tuesday? What is the day after Tuesday? Wednesday. Fantastic answer. Well done. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Now tell me what comes before Monday. What's the day before Monday? Sunday. Wow, well done. Now tell me which is the second day of the week. Second day of the week is Monday. Then what comes after Saturday? Saturday is the last one. So what comes after Saturday? Sunday. Wow. Now one more question. Tell me what comes before Friday. Now the last question. Ready? The last question is what comes before Friday? What comes before Friday? Wow, very good. Thursday. Thursday comes before Friday. You know it, know to read it, no? You can read all the spellings? Okay, very good. So, learn it. I will ask you when the school opens, whatever I taught you, I will ask everything. Okay, learn it properly and write them. Okay, practice this spellings at your home. Got it now? So, we have completed today's class. Okay, what I have to tell you? Thank you as usual and take care. Bye.